I guess I better fix that. Well, not long ago, I had my tires replaced. I just did a tire rotation and found one stud was stripped. Alright, so to get to the wheel stud, you have to take the brake caliper off. Oh, wrong way. It's a 14 on the caliper. Then a 19 on the bracket. Now if you have your parking brake on, it won't come out because it's on the inside. That's your parking brake shoes. Something that's very important is always make sure you do the correct one. Don't want to hit the wrong one out. Look at that. Now I got these on Amazon. These are M12 by 1.25. Same size. Double check them on the other lug nuts or other studs. That's what we're saying. Alright, so I saw on Amazon they make a fancy spacer for when you put this on, because there's no way of pressing it on. Well, I mean, no one really presses these on because no one's that fancy. All you need is like a bunch of washers, or I guess you could buy that spacer. Something that fits over the stud, and then you tighten it up where it doesn't bottom out on your lug nut. I have these stock bar clamps. I think it'll work perfect. Like I said, I used to just use a whole bunch of washers. This isn't gonna work, but it'll get it set. And then I just have a torque wrench. Ugh. And you just keep tightening till it pulls it all the way up to the back. Once you got the new stud on, all you do is reverse order. Brake rotor, caliper bracket, two 19 bolts. Make sure it's tight. And then caliper. $14mm. Click, click. Don't forget. That's all it takes to change out your wheel stud on your Frontier or Xterra or a bunch of other vehicles, I'm sure. They're all very similar. Don't be afraid, try it, and save some money, I guess, huh? Sounds good. It's hot in here. Why am I sitting in here? All right, see ya.